Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to Jeffrey Strogan in this video, my food reviews, Buffalo, Wild Wings, Buffalo Ranch, and Luau, BBQ, Boneless Wings. Jeffrey asked me to react to this video, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize, and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Hello everyone, here we go. Today, I'm going to be doing my food review. Oh, and also to let you all know, I'll be not covering really the background in this video, but today I'm going to be doing my food review. But before I get started, I do want to say, if you do like stuff in my channel, make sure you give a like, subscribe, and turn on the YouTube bell button. Maybe turn my blog, and share my videos, and our videos that are doing my channel. Your friends will also. And also make sure you get all my videos with thumbs up if you have me. Running algorithm if you have me. So yeah. Now for you. Let's get to the food review right now. So today, for this one right here is Buffalo barbecue, and this is the Luau barbecue. Is that right? Yeah, this is the Luau barbecue one. So yeah. On app one. So now what I'll do, first I'm gonna be doing the Buffalo Ranch one. So now what I'll do, I'm gonna get one out. Try it without the sauce, without the ranch. Now I'm going to do the Luau barbecue. Is that right? I've got Luau barbecue. Yeah. Luau barbecue. So yeah. So now I'm going to get mine out. Here it is. I'm going to try it with friends.
Everything, guys.
Good. So now I'm going to try the ranch. Oh yeah. It's good. Really good. Oh yeah. Definitely tastes really good. Now, for my rating, for the I give it an 80. And for Luau BBQ, I give it, and professional rate on that, I give it a 90. And for regular white on that, I give it a professional white, well, I said 80. And on the regular white, I also give it 10 out of 10. So yeah. And also, if you guys ever want to get these wings yourself, at your local wildlife, go to get if you haven't yet. Really good. Really good. So yeah. So yeah, that's the end of this food review. And I hope you guys like this food review. And I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like it. If you don't, then I don't care. And if you don't like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notifications on every time I upload. And share my videos, react videos, our videos, and channel to your friends and family also. You want to choice? Because I am making so on the main channel here, we're running 3 servers. On the back of channel, to go 2.0, to go to 100. And so yeah, and that's the end of this food review. And it'll be all banger. Some more banger content. So I'll see you next time. Super Jordan signing out. And peace all.
Awesome. That was an awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. And sorry for mumbling to myself. Sorry about that, everybody. My bad. And I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my channel or to Jeffrey Strojan's channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. And on my channel, we are on the road to 9,000 subscribers. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the 3 playlists that are on my channel. And give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my channel as well. Also, please, everybody, I would really definitely appreciate that too. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 9,000 subscribers or more on my channel as well. Also, please, everybody, I would really definitely appreciate it. And the link to Jeffrey Strojan's original video will be down in the description down below. I just thought I'd let everybody know about that. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya!